is we're getting rid of all the things that prevent the efficiency of growth for plants. There's two ways we can do that. Primarily, it's getting rid of pathogens. So, if you have a plant in a pristine environment and it doesn't have to fight, pathogens and also mites, molds would be an example of a pathogen, then they're going to actually have more of their energy going to growing and thriving. So how the nanotechnology works there is we can, for the most cost-effective implementation, we can actually just coat the lights, because the LED lights that we actually have the wavelengths like the sun that activate the photocatalytic coating. So when I mentioned the previous vertical markets, there's two types of coatings in the respect of photocatalytic and just non-photocatalytic. The benefit of photocatalytic is it lasts longer. So that's why we can have a 20-year warranty, for instance, on the coatings for solar panels. The non-photocatalytic only lasts half that time. So, the benefit is you have the wavelengths of light igniting that molecular process, so it makes it more efficient. And when you don't have that, you don't have that efficiency, so roughly half the life, so 10 years. So, for instance, we would use the photocatalytic on the solar panels, and we would use a non-photocatalytic on the HVAC coils because there's no light where those are at. But in the case of the grow facilities, we're actually implementing it the most cost-effective way by providing LED grow lights that have the best wavelengths. That's actually a patent on the most efficient wavelengths for indoor grow, because plants look at light differently than we do. And so we have access to Dr. Goshal's patents for providing that, and it's being done via LEDs for the energy efficiency. A lot of people still use grow lights that are called metal halide. And so those are very hot and they're very inefficient. That's why they're hot, because they're basically inefficient in converting electricity to light. So what happens is that we could walk in with our solution just with LEDs and deliver 30% more growth productivity while simultaneously reducing their energy consumption by 40%. So the quickest way to deliver that value is just coating the lights. But if they have problems with mites and other types of things, then we can also coat the surfaces. And so that molecular process, which is based on titanium dioxide, basically oxidizes things, cleans things so quickly that it actually will take off the protective varnish on the mites themselves and effectively kill them. So the big picture is we're getting rid of all the things that prevent the efficiency of growth for plants, and so they can thrive more efficiently. And that's basically the bottom line for indoor grow.